Hi YouTube, berdom. Ang asa kalama po, iba mazano ko ma. Okay, but I'm trying to question like, what do you do for living? Okay, like out of YouTube, ini question senga. But mas pras hang senga ki like YouTube ko mana bika. Like job mau, iba no porko so like, iba no porko nai kana po. But mas comment kalam, and I was like, yeah, isi comment kalam udah price, like common sense na postu ya na. Ini sana. But in reality, I would say one thing is that this YouTube is just my free time. YouTube is free time. So, if I'm free, I'm it's not like full-time job within YouTube. Because some people used to think YouTube is a full-time job, something like that. Okay, so YouTube is not a full-time job. And I'm a teacher. I'm master and this is my choice. I have an option no kind. What do you want to do? Okay, I'm option no kind. My first option was be a teacher. Any choice. It was not by force. Like teachers are not. So, basically, love you all. Peace out.